Your story electric road bike has arrived. We're going to show you how to put it together in a few simple steps. To get started, simply pull the bike out of the box and remove all the packaging. So you have everything unpackaged. You'll have your bike, front wheel, seat and seat posts, pedals, charger, display, and most importantly, the skewer for the front wheel. Put the skewer through the front wheel. She'll push off the cap and just loosely tighten for the time being. Before installing the front wheel, you want to remove the tab. So we're going to start by installing the front wheel onto the bike. Simply turn the bike upright, and we'll slide the front wheel into the fork. Hand tighten the skewer till it's snug, and then you'll push the lever down so it's nice and tight. Stem comes turned around backwards for packaging. So we're going to start by turning it 180 degrees and making sure it's tight. By loosening the Allen wrench on the top of the fork, and then you're going to straighten the stem, making sure it's in line with the frame and the front wheel. Tighten this till it's firm, do not over tighten. You're then going to tighten both bolts on each side of the stem firmly. So next, we'll take the front piece off of the stem completely. Now we're going to take the handlebars, and without twisting the cables, come up with the brake levers out. Making sure the handlebar is straight and at the angle you'd like. You then put the front of the stem back on. Evenly tighten all 4 bolts. So to align the front brake, you're gonna hold the front brake down, which is the left brake lever. Evenly tighten. The seat comes set straight, but if you'd like to adjust it, you just loosen the nut here, and the seat can be slid forward, back, up, and down. Slide it into the seat tube, hand tighten, so it's nice and firm. Next to install the pedals, there's a left and a right. Left pedal, you screw in counterclockwise. Hand tighten it, right pedal screws in clockwise.
Tighten firmly with a wrench, place the display over the handlebars, and tighten with a screwdriver.
Connect the display to the power. Turn it on, simply push the power button in, so it lights up. Hit the power button in the middle of the display, so the display turns on, and away you go.